Life isn't just a series of moments, it's a canvas, and you're the artist. Making it better isn't about grand gestures, but consistent, small brushstrokes. So, how do we begin to craft a masterpiece? First, embrace intentionality. Don't just let life happen to you. Decide what truly matters. Is it connection, creativity, learning, or impact? Once you know your core values, your choices become clearer. This clarity is a powerful compass, guiding you away from distractions and towards what truly nourishes your soul. Next, cultivate mindfulness. We often rush through our days, missing the beauty in the mundane. Take a moment to truly taste your food, feel the sun on your skin, or listen to the laughter of a friend. Being present isn't just a trend, it's a pathway to genuine appreciation and reduced stress. It allows you to savor the good and navigate challenges with a calmer perspective.